Hello and welcome to the IoT Containment in Transportation demo. In this demo, we will briefly explain concepts of IoT containers and universal network profiles, two logical entities used in our solution. After that, you will witness straightforward step-by-step configuration of OmniVista required for IoT enablement in your network. ALE focuses on four major segments of transportation: rail, road, air, and sea. While each of these segments are different in customers' requirements and needs, they all share the same goal of increasing capacity, safety, and comfort for travelers and working personnel. Today, many IoT devices such as video surveillance cameras, digital traffic signaling, digital information displays, PA loudspeakers, air conditioning systems, ticketing machines, to name just a few here, are already improving customers' experience while decreasing the cost of running transportation systems. Since all of previously mentioned IoT devices are connected to an IP network, they have to be connected in a secure way, allowing to be managed and monitored, as well as cost-effectively deployed and maintained, which represents a challenge today, having in mind various types and the large quantities of IoT devices and sensors deploying today. ALE provides an effective solution called Iot Containment. It provides secure and efficient IoT adoption while still keeping separation from other devices in the network. In this example of metro use case, you can see that devices such as CCTV security cameras as well as signaling devices may connect across the different areas of the network. The same applies for passengers' mobile devices through which they may receive travel or work-related information, or just having an access to the internet. In order to provide a secure connectivity for each of these groups over the same network infrastructure, we will create and assign to each group a separate container. Furthermore, we will create a profile for each specific group of users and devices, so whenever they get connected, the system will automatically detect them and accept them into the right container within the network. Every profile could also have defined quality of service and security parameters, allowing for right treatment of related traffic in the network, but also allowing network administrator to deny access of IoT in case of detected cyber attack in order to protect and secure the rest of the network. While simple and efficient, user network profiles combined with OmniVista network management system provide unique and powerful tool which flexibility allows network administrator to adopt IoT devices through wired and wireless networks. Now, we would like to show how simple, fast, and efficient it is using OmniVista to create a profile for IoT devices, in our case CCTV security cameras, and securely adopt new cameras into the network. The first step is to create a new profile. This step must be done only once, as this profile will be applied to all the CCTV cameras in the network. Profiles are configured under Unified Access Template Access Role Profile menu. We will create a new profile called CCTV Demo. At this point of creating a profile, you can choose which policy to use for devices. If you don't choose the policy now, the profile can be updated with the new policy later on at any time. The profile is configured and is going to be applied to all the switches in the network where CCTV cameras are expected to be connected. All the IoT devices matching this profile will be assigned to a specific VLAN. To add a new IoT device in the network, in this demo it will be a CCTV camera, IoT device has to be registered first under Company Property menu. It is important to register a MAC address of the IoT device based on which this device will be authenticated. In addition, administrator has to choose CCTV camera related access role profile previously created. This way a new IoT device became registered. Once camera will be connected to the switch, if properly authenticated, it will be registered under authentication record. At this moment, camera is successfully connected, authenticated, and allocated to the right IoT container. As a result, the live stream from the camera became available over the network. By refreshing the authenticated record screen of OmniVista, administrator would be able to verify all the details of newly connected camera placed on the top of the list. The purpose of this short demo was to provide an overview of fast, secure, and efficient IoT enablement in your transportation network. For more details about this demo, as well as other technologies in networking, please contact your local Alcatel-Lucent enterprise representative. Thank you for watching.